Hey everybody and welcome. I have filmed so much, but it's fun. I have energy, and we all know that the energy fairies don't always like to stop by my house, but they did last night, and here she is. So anywho, the eyeballs, there is a video, once I edit it, coming soon. Is it a dupe or just a waste of money for you all? I know it's not my typical eye look. Am I comfortable in it? No, my armpits are really sweating right now, not because I'm hot, because I'm nervous of what the comment section will say, because I get a lot of new people when I do Boxycharm unboxings. So if you're new here, don't be an a-hole. Okay, I appreciate you stopping by, but if you have ever so much the itty-bittiest, teeniest, tiniest little urge to be a in my comment section, can you just leave, please? I would appreciate it. Thank you. So it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl's gonna talk a lot. I'm gonna ramble. I'm gonna take 15 left-hand turns, and thank you if you chose to stick around. So this is the February Boxycharm premium box, and I'm pretty sure I forgot to even mention when I unboxed the base box that it was February. Well, I'll just put it in my title. Anyways, Boxycharm did send this over in PR, so thank you to Boxycharm for sending this over my way to give you guys an honest review. And as always, I don't work for Boxycharm, so please don't think that I can do anything to fix anything. Just sometimes feel like I'm just tired. Sometimes people are mean. All right, so I'm a little confused because the cards across the board are the same, which is normal in the front, but on the back, we normally have Boxycharm, everything that's in this box back on this, and then a little information, the price and everything. So when it comes to the premium box, I get so confused. I think it's $39.99 or $42. I'll be honest, I forget, but you do get to customize 2 items in the box, which is always nice. So the first item in here, which I saw some sneaky peekies floating around, and I was kind of like, for premium? So this is the Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. Now, this is a repeat item because I am pretty sure, by the way, you get $10 off, just in case you didn't see that, but I'm pretty sure this was in the base box. I could be wrong, but I think it was in a base box. So, and I think I put one in a giveaway too, I can't remember. So this is what it looks like. I already own one. I've used it. It's cute. It's a good brush to use like when you travel, like you unscrew it, and like I never use these kind of brushes, but they'd be good for your brows or liner or what have you. Then you've got, you know, your little blush brush, and then over here, this is actually a good brush to use for your eyes, and then you've got a sponge. So here's what I can tell you about this. I've used it in videos, and I think I may have taken it with, did I take it? I think I may have taken it one time on like an overnight or something. I don't remember, but I've never messed with it again. I just haven't. But I will say there is a girl on TikTok that uses this. Apparently, I guess it was duped by Amazon because she said she got it off of Amazon, and she uses it all the time and loves it. So it's gonna be to each their own. I'm gonna choose to put this one in a giveaway, but it says it's a powder and contour brush, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow liner brush. So this might be for someone, but for me, all of that to say it's not for me. Next in here is the Refreshment Velvety Body Cream. It's unscented. I have never tried the unscented body lotion from the Refreshment line, which I guess isn't just for Ipsy now. The Refreshments is, I think, available with Boxycharm as well. And I've tried a lot of the Refreshment products out, from the razor to the body lotion to the body scrub, wash, all of that. And I really like it. The only thing that I'm like ho-hum about is like the shaving cream, and that's only because I'm too lazy to use it. So, but maybe you're not. But anyways, I'll try the unscented. I do like that. It's nourishing, it restores, it's quick absorbing, 24-hour hydration. Next in here, we've got the Beauty Bakery. Oh, it's in here again. The Butter Hydra Stick Primer. I actually saw my girl Jody doing a get ready with me on it, and it was really interesting. I was watching it I think when I was in Pennsylvania, actually. I went there with my 16-year-old for a P1 Harmony concert. It was so much freaking fun. Like, I now love listening to them. They remind me of like the 2000s Backstreet Boys. So this is the component. It's like a plasticky component. It's kind of cool looking, to be honest with y'all. And then, ooh, comes up. Doesn't smell. Ooh, it feels really nice and soft. I wonder if it's gonna be, honestly, it kind of reminds me right away of the Tarte Awake. But that like goes underneath your eyes. I had to be careful, man. My eyes are so dry. I put that on today and it was like, oh, it made my concealer look so hideous. I had to like wash everything back off. So, I don't know, it feels nice and silky. It blended right in. I wonder if it's gonna help with like my pores. See, Boxy, this is why I need your card to tell me more information. So on here, it does say for external use only. Freaking weirdos. Like, why would you? Anyways. So, oh my God, it's like a little stick of butter. But Beauty Bakery is so cute. On here it says a lightweight hydrating primer that provides your skin smooth with a smooth canvas and extends the wear of your makeup. Apply to your skin prior to makeup. So it's just your standard thing. It's really cute though. It does look like a little stick of butter. It only took me 5 minutes to realize that. All right. Next, let's see, because like whatever's under here is just hiding. Ooh, okay. Next in here, we've got the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick by Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. Oh, dang! That is nice looking. What is that brand? That is so pretty. I forget that brand. Oh, that smells good too. Oh, it's too orange. I don't know. I'll try it. That is like, hey, do you drink coffee for a living? Because I'm going to show you that you do drink coffee every day for a living. Undertone. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. That undertone, I feel like, is really going to make my teeth look very... She drinks a lot of coffee. I don't know what you're talking about. Coffee strong all day long, baby. Okay, so that's really pretty, but that component is freaking gorgeous. Like, if you watched my base box unboxing, I was whining about the component of the Give Me Lala or Give Them Lala one, because like, look at that. Look how cheap that looks compared to how bougie this looks. And the doe foot is really cute on this one. I do like the color of this one, but the color of this one I'm kind of like, meh, manifest. I don't know. I'm sure like if I put like a pinky tone gloss maybe on top, I can pull it off. I don't know. All right, next in here, we've got the Eloise 3D Blush and Glow palette. So it's in like your standard type of cardboard packaging. Oh, you're so pretty. Look how gorgeous. And it does have a mirror in here as well. Oh, that is so pretty. So soft. Ooh. I really like these colors. I kind of feel like they're all gonna, will they all look the same? They kind of all look the same, but they're freaking gorgeous. I really, like, I love like peachy pinky colors like this. I mean, honestly, I would just take my brush and swirl-a-whirly it and go doop. That's how I'll be wearing this. This is gorgeous. I really like this palette. That's really pretty. And then last but not least, we've got the Ciate London Royal Edition eyeshadow palette. I like Ciate London's formula. What is that? I like their formula, but, and it's, oh, this is actually in a cardboard packaging. Oh, okay. It was funny because honestly, the pictures that I've seen of this does not do the palette justice. It's not like a palette that I would ever gravitate to be honest with you all, like, especially when I was seeing the pictures, but holding it in person, like this Palace and Garden, ooh, with this green shade, that, I'm not trying to flick you all off. I just still have blush on my finger there. That is gorgeous. Do this, I don't even know, Spectre. Look at that. Those two shades are pretty. Ooh, and they swatch well. They're nice and creamy. Okay, so I think I'm a little shocked because originally when I'd seen like sneak peeks for the palette, I was kind of like, okay. But getting to see it in person, I gotta wipe these off because I will get this all over myself. But seeing this palette in person, I'm honestly a bit more shocked. It's definitely warm, where I like more like cooler tones, but I think we're gonna be able to create a really pretty look with this. It's funny though, in my base box, I got the Proof is in the Pudding palette, eyeshadow palette, and honestly, I like this palette better. I really do, compared to this one. Not because of the formula, but more so, I guess, because of the color story. There's a lot of warmth kicking in this one, which there is in the other one. So I'm just gonna stop talking about it. All right, so that is everything in the premium box. And in all honesty, I actually like this one. I mean, it's not skincare heavy at all. The only thing I'm not gonna use is, well, I'm gonna make this work for me because, I mean, I just want to whip that out in the middle of the store and be like, look at my bougie component lippy sticky. That's really cute. But the only thing I'm really not going to use is this. Everything else I can see myself using. So I don't know. I don't think it's a bad variation. I don't understand. Like, here's the thing. And correct me if I'm wrong. Was this in the base box or was this in a premium before, or in a luxe? Because when I see things in a luxe or a premium trickle down to base box, I'm not even bothered. Not even bothered. I'm like, cool, thank you. But I don't know how I necessarily feel about something in a base box going over to a premium box. Like, if you're gonna give me this, then I want the little stack to go with it, and that's gonna be one of the items. You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I just need to go eat lunch. That's probably it. I'm getting a little hangry, and I'm just, as my family says, I'm just not me when I'm hungry. So anywho, that is all for today's unboxing. Let me know y'all's thoughts on that, especially that alley-oop brush. Did it belong in the premium? I don't know. That's my scissors, guys. Okay. Getting a little crazy over here. Anyways, thank you bunches and bunches if you made it to the end of today's video. I definitely appreciate it. Make sure to check my girl Martha out over at The Good Candle. This one's Love Spell. Strawberry cheesecake is absolutely delicious. All of her candles, I know you just can't go wrong. Or her card diffusers, they're amazing. Thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I definitely appreciate you all. Stay tuned for Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money on this eye look if you're interested. And check me out on my other channels. Hotmess in the Kitchen for quick and easy, budget-friendly meals for your fam bam. And then, of course, on Hotmess Momma Vlogs, I do Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. I think my hubs is coming up for lunch, so I will catch y'all in the next video. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done.